Yo brolies, what's up? So dumating na raw yung stock ng ROG Duha mechanical keyboard and gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung mga specifications niya bago yung ating full review. So this is a split keyboard. Ayan, pwede siyang normal or split. Tapos yung connectivity niya is tri-mode. Supported siya ng VIA software. May C2 linear switches and top mount yung kanyang construction. So sa likod makikita natin yung kanyang full specifications. So almost a kilogram ang kanyang bigat. Medyo mabigat nga siya. Tapos again, tri-mode connectivity, 68 keys, top mount, and south-facing na rin yung kanyang universal hot swap socket and compatible with 3 and 5 pin switches. So yung stock switches niya is C2 matte linear, tapos cherry profile PBT die-sub yung kanyang keycaps. Tapos aluminum yung kanyang knob, ABS plastic yung kanyang case, and with polycarbonate na pre-installed na plate. Tapos plate-mounted din yung kanyang mga stabilizers. So RGB, 3000 mAh battery, sabi ko nga VIA ang kanyang software, and meron siya mga extra na keycap and Type-C cable and 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller. So very interesting to kasi halos wala tayong nakikita na split keyboard on the budget segment. So abangan nyo yung ating full review. Salamat sa panood.